we are given dy over dx equals to x squared over y, and y0 equals to 1. So how do we find y1 equal how do you find y1? So we know that x0 is 0 and y0 is 1. So what we are going to do is we're going to take these values and we're just going to use these as the starting value. So we have x equals to 0 and y0 equals to 1. So we need to increase these by increments. However, as we're not given it, we can use the smallest value possible. So for this instance, to get a more accurate answer, I shall just use step size equals to 0.1. And so what will happen next is that x1 will increase by 0.1, while y1 will be following the dy over dx value of 1, because there's also the f value plus whatever the x0 and y0 value was. So in that case, it will be minus 1 plus 0.1 followed by x, which is previously 0 square over 1, and this will give us a 1. So x2 will equals to 0.2, then y2 equals to the previous value of 1 plus 0.1 followed by this, but now we're going to take the previous x and y values of 0.1 and 1 square, and we will get the next value, and you'll keep going until we get x whatever equals to 1. So what we have over here is using the Houston method. So we have given our step size as 0.1. So what we have is we have the formula of 0. We have initial values of 0, 1, and 0 from the y0 equals to 1. So we have our values here. Following that, we will increase the the step size by 1 as we mentioned previously. So it's increased by 1. The y value will be increased by our dy over dx, which is following either way, it will be following the previous formula that we mentioned earlier, and it'll be as so, which will then give us a value of 1.194727 when x equals to 1. So yx will give us an approximate value of 1.19,